Hey all, welcome to Spice Kitchen and Ginger. Today is part of a series where we make meals in under 30 minutes. Today is episode 1 and we'll be making beef bulgogi with 2 side dishes. First, we cook our rice if you want to serve it with rice. These are the seasonings for the beef. Put in a bowl 3 tablespoons brown sugar, 2.5 tablespoons gochujang or Korean chili paste. If you like it spicy, you can add more or add chili flakes. 4 tablespoons plus 1 teaspoon low sodium soy sauce. One tablespoon honey, two and a half teaspoons sesame seed oil, 200 grams onion, four cloves garlic, $15 grams ginger. The easiest to peel the skin of your ginger is to scrape it with a spoon like this. $50 grams apple. I like to grate the onion, garlic, apple, and ginger, but you don't have to. You can slice the onion and chop the garlic. The apple and ginger, I would recommend grating them. The ginger, you just need the juice. Put those grated ingredients in the soy sauce mixture bowl. Now we grate the ginger and get the juice. These are the thinly sliced beef you can get at any Asian grocery stores. You can use fatty cut, leaner cut, fresh or frozen. If frozen, you just leave overnight in the fridge before you marinate it. Mix all the ingredients and add black pepper, put the beef, mix thoroughly, and marinate for about 15 minutes. While it's marinating, we can make our side dish. Please see my previous video on Korean banchan or side dish. Each side dish takes about 5 minutes to make. I have this pan that I use for grilling meat. You can also use regular pan. The best result is grilling on a charcoal grill. Make sure that the pan is hot enough so the meat sizzles. Cook until done. Now I'm grilling the meat using a regular pan. Depending upon the type of meat and pan used, you may need to add a little oil if it gets sticky. If you like this video, you can help grow this channel by subscribing, liking, and sharing. Write a comment or ask me a question about the recipe. I'll be very happy to answer you. Thank you for watching and see you next time.